everyone. I am J. Lord L. Pander from Ilocos Norte College of Arts and Trade. From UMS strand. My strand is UMS. So today we will going to talk about our advocacy and let me share a bit about myself. On a topical normal day, I spend time with studying, working on projects, bonding with friends, and of course, browsing social media. So, let me discuss about to you our advocacy, which is the cyberbullying. Our advocacy is fighting against cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is when someone uses technology like social media or messaging apps to harass or embarrass or hurt another person. Sadly, this has become more common nowadays, especially among students. So today, we will going to talk about on how we fight it against cyberbullying. So guys, so guys, why I choose this advocacy? I choose this advocacy because I've seen how damaging cyberbullying can be. Some of my classmates and friends have experienced it. And I know how it can affect self-esteem. Someone's self-esteem, mental health, and even their studies. So, no one deserves feel unsafe online. So why this advocacy is important to us and to me? This advocacy is important to me because I want to promote kindness and share respect, both offline and online. That social media should be a place that connect and share, not to tear each other down. And I believe that small actions like posting positive messages or standing up for someone else, it can be create a big difference. So why people should know about it. Let's see. So, why people should know about it? It's important for others to know about cyberbullying because awareness is the first step in solving the problem. If we all understand it affects and take action, we can build a safer and more supportive community online. So I encourage you to go to know more about this advocacy and reflect on how we use social media every day. In my next vlog, I'll share updates on the steps I've taken to raise awareness and how social media can actually be used as a tool for positive change. So stay tuned guys, and together, let's fight cyberbullying one click at a time. We fight for cyberbullying on one click at a time. Bye guys. See you on my next vlog.